Every device connected to the internet has a digital fingerprint. Your IP address, your location, even the websites you visit. All of it can be tracked. And the truth is, anyone, hackers, corporations, or even governments, can figure out who you are if you're not careful. But what if you could hide it all? What if your online identity could disappear, leaving no trace behind? Today, I'm going to show you the top 5 tools you can use to stay completely anonymous online. Tools that will protect your identity, hide your location, and keep your digital life private. The tools and techniques discussed in this video are meant for educational purposes only. Never use them to engage in illegal activity. Misusing these tools can put you at risk of legal consequences. Stay safe and use your knowledge responsibly. Before we dive into the tools, let's understand why this is important. Every click you make online is tracked, every search, every social media post, every website you visit. Hackers can steal your data, advertisers can profile you, and in some countries, governments can even monitor your activity. Anonymity isn't just about hiding from hackers. It's about protecting your personal freedom, your privacy, and your right to browse without leaving a trail. And the tools we're going to cover today make that possible, even for someone who isn't a tech expert. First up is the Tor browser. Tor, short for the Onion Router, is one of the most powerful tools for staying anonymous online. Tor works by routing your connection through multiple servers around the world, encrypting your data at every step. This makes it almost impossible to trace your IP address or your activity. But here's the thing, Tor isn't just about hiding your location. It's about freedom. It allows journalists, activists, and ordinary people in restricted countries to access the internet safely. And with a few simple steps, you can set it up and start browsing completely anonymously. Next is a VPN, or virtual private network. A VPN masks your IP address and encrypts all your internet traffic, making it look like you're browsing from somewhere else entirely. There are free options like VPN, but for serious anonymity, paid VPNs like NordVPN or ExpressVPN provide stronger encryption and faster speeds. The beauty of a VPN is that it works with almost every device. Your computer, your phone, even your router. Combine it with Tor, and you've got double protection for maximum anonymity. Third on the list is Tails OS. Tails is a security-focused operating system you can run from a USB stick on any computer. Everything on Tails is designed to leave no trace. Once you shut down, no data is saved unless you explicitly choose to. And it's preloaded with privacy tools like Tor and encrypted messaging apps. Tails is perfect for anyone who wants total anonymity, especially if you're working on sensitive tasks or in high-risk situations. Hey guys, if you've enjoyed this video to this point, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. These videos take quite a lot of time to make, so if you could help me out, I'll love you forever. On this channel, I upload videos about ethical hacking and hacking documentaries like famous hacks, hackers and groups, criminal hacking, and many more. Number 4 is secure email and messaging. Traditional email services like Gmail are convenient, but they track your data. Tools like ProtonMail or Tutanota encrypt your emails end-to-end, so no one can read them but the intended recipient. For messaging, apps like Signal or Session offer encrypted communication that keeps your conversations private. In today's digital world, even your messages can be traced. These tools make sure your digital communication stays yours, and yours alone. Finally, anonymous browsers and search engines. While Tor is great, combining it with privacy-focused search engines like DuckDuckGo or StartPage ensures that your searches aren't tracked. These tools don't store your search history, and they don't sell your data to advertisers. In other words, no footprints left behind. By combining these tools, you can browse the internet freely, with no one watching, tracking, or profiling you. Anonymity online isn't about hiding from the law. It's about protecting your privacy, your identity, and your freedom. By using Tor, VPNs, Tails OS, secure email, and anonymous search engines, you take back control of your digital life. You can browse, communicate, and explore without leaving a trace. But remember, The internet is full of eyes watching every click. Protect yourself, stay smart, and always value your online privacy. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about staying safe online, cybersecurity, and hacking tips, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. That way, you won't miss any of my future videos where I reveal more tools, techniques, and secrets of the digital world.